Hi, I'm Michael Gable, Managing Director at Fairmont Equities. Investors who have had money in term deposits are now starting to question whether it is worth rolling into a new term deposit when it falls due. Obviously, with all the rising interest rates and turmoil recently, there's been a certain appeal to term deposits, but with the share market recovering, is it now time to rotate into something else? So I'll show you a couple of interesting charts. So any advice here is general only. Projections for interest rates now indicate they've reached their peak and are poised to decline. This is causing a dip in the term deposit rates now being offered by the banks. Here is a chart of the 3-month bank bill swap rate as projected by the NAB. So term deposit rates will reflect the fact that interest rates will be heading lower from here over time. That is, any new term deposits from now will take into account the likelihood of lower interest rates over time. So have we now reached that sweet spot where it's time to stop rolling over into new term deposits and instead allocate that money back into a recovering share market? Leading economic indicators suggest that we've likely witnessed the worst of the economic downturn and we can anticipate a recovery within the upcoming 12 months. This chart shows the leading indicators are at the bottom of their historic range. That's the blue line. So when compared to the S&P 500, this is the time when you start to achieve positive returns in the share market. Share markets are forward-looking, so they're already now starting to move higher. A recovery in leading indicators is anticipated to trigger a further upswing in the share market over time. With leading indicators having plenty of room to move higher from here, this means we're looking at a multi-year rally in share markets before we hit the next peak again. It's at the top of that peak, when leading indicators are at the top, that's when you end up with share market declines. We're at the bottom, so a bottom in the indicators leads to share market rallies. So given these factors, now is the time to contemplate whether you should be rolling a term deposit over into another year at a lower rate, or it's time to start investing into the share market. And if you need help in trying to understand that, feel free to give me a call. If you're looking for more share investing ideas, go to our website, fairmontequities.com, and sign up to our free trial. You'll receive our market outlook, our trading guide on how to buy and sell shares, and 8 weeks of our research delivered to your inbox. And if you qualify for our portfolio management service and you have more than $500,000 to invest, please give me a call to find out more.